What if a 23-foot boat could outperform machines twice its size? Not just in speed, but in style, innovation, and sheer wave-making power. That's the exact question boaters around the world are asking themselves when they first experienced the Centurion RI230, the compact wakeboat that delivers performance usually reserved for much larger vessels. Built as the flagship model in Centurion's popular Ri series, the RI230 blends power, comfort, technology, and design in a way that has made it one of the most talked-about boats on the water today. At a glance, the Centurion RI230 looks like a sleek, agile wakeboat, and it is. But to call it just a wakeboat would be an understatement. This 23-foot marvel is engineered to generate massive, perfectly shaped waves and wakes that cater to both wakeboarding and wake surfing enthusiasts, all while maintaining smooth handling and a refined onboard experience. One of the key reasons the RI230 performs so exceptionally is its OptiV hull design. With 20 degrees of dead rise at the transom, this hull displaces water efficiently and creates a balanced running attitude. The result is a smoother ride across chop and rough water, a quieter cruise, and waves that remain clean and powerful even in challenging conditions. Despite its relatively compact size, the RI230 offers seating for up to 14 people, making it surprisingly social for group outings or family adventures. Whether you're cruising with friends or gearing up for aggressive wake surfing, this boat accommodates your crew with ample, comfortable seating and thoughtfully designed interior space that makes every trip feel effortless. Underneath all that innovation lies a smart approach to ballast management. The RI230 comes with up to 5,400 pounds of total available ballast, distributed across multiple zones. This ballast strategy doesn't just improve wave quality. It keeps weight balanced for longer, cleaner waves, and a level running attitude that puts less stress on the hull while maximizing wake performance. Ballast is further enhanced by the Ramfill boosted system, an efficient subfloor ballast solution that drastically reduces fill and drain times, even when the boat is standing still. With stainless steel ball valves and precisely placed ballast points, the boat minimizes wait time and maximizes time on the water, letting riders get into their groove faster than ever. At the heart of the RI230's command center is the intuitive Captive Touch side-by-side high-definition dash system, which consolidates control of nearly every aspect of the boat. From ballast settings and engine information to camera views and fuel usage data, the system puts power literally at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to dial in performance based on conditions and riding style. Another standout feature that separates the RI230 from its peers is the Predator Power Tower, PPT. This elegant tower does more than look striking. Its bimini top provides shade in any sun position, while integrated hangars keep equipment secure and off the deck. For the 2026 model year, Centurion added a high-definition rear-facing camera to the tower, giving drivers real-time visual feedback of riders behind the boat. Centurion didn't stop with functional innovation. The RI230 also delivers convenience and luxury in its subtler details. For wireless phone chargers scattered throughout the interior, limo lighting beneath multi-position slide seats, external plug-in access for power, and phone storage with USB connectivity. These features may seem small, but combined they elevate daily use to premium yacht-style comfort. With a draft of 36 inches, fuel capacity of 81 gallons, and a dry weight around 5,500 pounds, the RI230 strikes a remarkable balance between performance and practicality. It's nimble enough for recreational use, yet capable enough to please serious wake sports enthusiasts. It's no surprise that this compact powerhouse has earned acclaim far beyond the typical wakeboat crowd. The Centurion RI230 has even been selected as the official tow boat of the World Wake Surfing Championship, underscoring its performance credibility and industry clout among professional riders. What truly sets the RI230 apart, though, is that it doesn't make you choose between thrill and refinement. With intelligent hull design, powerful ballast systems, advanced control interfaces, and creature comforts throughout, this boat exemplifies how modern engineering can deliver both performance and luxury without compromise. For anyone passionate about wake sports, marine performance, or simply experiencing the ultimate in watercraft design, the Centurion RI230 stands as a testament to what's possible when innovation meets real-world needs, and when a boat is built not just to perform, but to inspire. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting performance boats on the water, make sure to subscribe to Yachts World, where we bring you the best yacht stories, boat tours, and insider reviews in the industry.